Hello students, this is Manisha Thomar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams. My dear students, today we will discuss types of chemical bonds. Before this video, just watch another video of my channel which is related to chemical bond, definition of chemical bonds and why chemical bonds are formed in between atoms. So in this part we will discuss about the types of chemical bonds. We have basically three types of chemical bonds. If I am talking about the general or from the starting, we have two types of bonds. We have two types of bonds. Two types of bond means we have strong bonds and weak bonds. Strong bonds and weak bonds. Strong bonds are basically further classified into different categories like ionic or covalent bond. Ionic or covalent bonds are formed by the transferring of electrons from one atom to another atom. The important conditions for such types of bond is: first, one atom should be metal, and other should be non-metal. Means the bond which is formed by between metals and non-metals are called ionic or electrovalent bonds, and such types of compounds are called electrovalent compounds. For example, suppose we are seeing here sodium is a metal which is in the first group in the periodic table. Its atomic number is 11 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. In this case, to stabilize its electronic configuration, according to inert gas, it has the tendency to lose one electron, to give one electron to any other species or any other atom. If it loses its one electron, then it will occupy the electronic configuration according to inert gas neon. So it has the tendency to give one electron to any other atom. Second one is the 17, which is chlorine, sodium is a metal which is in first group in the periodic table, while chlorine is a halogen which is non-metal, and it is present in the 17 group in the periodic table, and its atomic number is also 17. Its configuration will be 2, 8 and 7. 2, 8 and 7 means it has the tendency to take one electron to occupy its inert gas electronic configuration or stable electronic configuration like argon. So it has the tendency to take one electron, means chlorine has the tendency to take one electron, and it is also a electronegative element, and it is also a non-metal, while sodium is a electropositive atom and it is a metal. So we need this example is fulfilling the both conditions, that is, one is the metal which is electropositive in nature and has one atom in its valence cell or outermost cell, and halogen which is non-metal chlorine which has 7 valence electron in its outermost cell, To stabilize its electronic configuration, it has the tendency to take one electron, while sodium has the tendency to take one. With the help of dot structure, we can explain transferring of electron. This is sodium, in which electron is represented by cross sign. In Cl, I am representing electron with the help of dot structures. In chlorine, we have 7 electron in its valence cell. If this sodium will give 1 electron to the chlorine atom, then chlorine will occupy its 8 electron configuration in its valence cell, and here transfer of 1 electron going to the chlorine atom, from sodium to chlorine atom. Such type of bond where 1 electron is transferred from one species to other species is called electrovalent or ionic bond. Such type of representation of electrons is called electron dot structure, electron dot structure or Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Like that, students, you can see other. You can make also its orbit diagram. Orbit diagram of the bonds can be represent orbital diagram or orbital structure. My dear student, in orbital structure we have to make the orbitals. We know that we have in an atom we have one nucleus which is in the center, which contains positive charge, and its surrounding we have different energy labels which are called orbits or cells. Orbits or cells. You just make round. Here electrons are present in its valence cell. We are talking about sodium, so it has 2, 8 in first cell because it is very nearest to the nucleus. Its size is very small, so it has 2 electrons, while second cell contains 8 electrons, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8, and in last we have only 1 electron. Same as chlorine, this is structure of atomic structure of chlorine, in which we have also 3 cells, in which in this we have 7 electrons, and innermost cells contains 8 electrons. And innermost 1. So transfer of 1 electron from this part to this part is called electron transferring, and such type of bonds is called electrovalent bond. Another examples of this are basically first and second group element. First and second group elements when react with non-metals, group elements with non-metals formed ionic compounds, except that other metals also form the ionic compound. Means condition metal and non-metal forms the ionic bond. If you like this video, comment, share on the video, and wait for my next video, and also watch previous video. After that you can understand the content. I will explain covalent bond and coordination bond and other types of strong bonds as well as weak bonds in my next video. So wait for my next video. Thank you so much for watching more videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.